Proposition Speaker 1. So, in this speech, I'll say about what is the blockchain technology and what is a Bitcoin. Ma'am, with your permission, I'll share the screen. So, before going to know about blockchain technology, let's know the history of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was published on 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi Nakamoto is very famous white paper. In 2009, this Bitcoin network has started. And first cryptocurrency stock change is launched in 2010. 1 Bitcoin is equals to 100 USD in 2011. Till 2010 to 2011, the Bitcoin technology is 1 Bitcoin equals to 100 USDs. But when 2014 this Microsoft accepts the Bitcoin, then in 2017 it changed to 1 Bitcoin equals to 10,000 USDs. Are you thinking Bitcoin is also a blockchain? Bitcoin is an application of blockchain technology, and blockchain is the underlying data structure which can be used for many things including cryptocurrencies. And what is a blockchain? Blockchain is a data structure which is a growing list of data blocks, and a blockchain is a growing list of data blocks that are linked together. Bitcoin ecosystem. Bitcoin ecosystem is self-stabilizing. The more participants the system has, the more difficult manipulations become, and the more difficulties manipulations they are, the greater the demand for Bitcoins. A public networks which anyone, including a malicious participant, can participate without restrictions. Even though it is not organized by central authority, it works. Cut the middleman. Blockchain technology marks middleman, so it called trust. Absolute in many as an example, Bitcoins. Building consensus. After a finite time, all participants agree on a single state. For example, one who owns how many Bitcoin. Creating witnesses. If something is published on a public blockchain, all participants become witness. This is used for example by origin stamp to create a secure timestamp for documents. And for this blockchain will have some key features. Right? Only immutable transparent data storage. Decentralized, no need for intermediaries. Consistent state across all participants. Resistant against malicious participants. It is open to everyone. So, this is about the blockchain and Bitcoin technology. Over to moderator.
Good afternoon to everyone who are present here in C1, C2 and Ma'am Babra. I am Devi from class 8. I am the Proposition 2 speaker for today's meeting. As moderator introduced the topic, the House believes that blockchain is harming the environment. Our Proposition first speaker said that the definition and full clear vision about the topic because no one knows the topic in this generation. So coming to the topic, let us know what is meant by blockchain. A blockchain is a chain that contains information, and blockchain system is recording of information, a way that makes it difficult or impossible to hack or to cheat the systems. When any hackers try to hack the systems, they can be pampered the blockchain between the systems. A blockchain is disturbed database. It means that storage device or database are not connected to a common procedure. It maintains a growing list of ordered records called blocks. Each block has information to know, and the timestamps and a link to previous blocks. The blockchain have a link to one to another systems to not to hack the systems. Ma'am, with your permission, may I create the screen? I am going to tell you the three topics of blockchain. The blockchain cannot go back. The chains are sometimes inefficient, not completely sure. So, the data is not completely sure because the blockchain are connecting to each other, and also they are missing of information in the system. Here we can remove or trace the systems and leaving the privacy rights into pieces. The blockchains are sometimes inefficient. Slowly the blockchains are completely filled up with the information, and they are not too sure, and they are missing the information in the blockchain. Also, the blockchain are not completely sure, not completely secure, because 51% of attacks were in the blockchain, and also a number of people can hack the blockchain. At last, I can conclude that the blockchains are harming the environment. Moderator.
Who are C1, C2, C3 and Madam Barbara and Sir. Before going to conclusion, as our proposition first debater said, what is blockchain, and as its example as Bitcoin. The opposition first and second debaters asked that how it is harmful to environment. It is harmful. I say one thing. The Bitcoin is tampering the environment by the plants will provide the electricity that they have created by plants. So by that 2295.2 kilowatt electricity is producing. By that in houses we can generate for 78 days. So by saying this we can understand how it is generating electricity. So it is harmful to our environment. But we have an advantage about this. How as one of the floor contributors said that it is the Bitcoin is going through online So like that Bitcoin also is processing like that only. So this is the advantage of that. So my opinion and my conclusion is Bitcoin means its technology is harmful to the environment. Moderator.